What's going on? Today we're making Baja style shrimp and fish tacos. Come into my kitchen, let's get started. So we're gonna go ahead and make the beer batter first, and this is the ingredients you're gonna need. You're gonna need 1 cup of beer, half a cup of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, a teaspoon of Mexican oregano, and a teaspoon of mustard, salt and pepper to taste. Let's make the batter. So we're gonna go wet into dry. Set that aside until we need it. So here I have some 1620 shrimp that have been peeled and deveined. You can save the shells for stock later, but 1620 means that there are 16 to 20 shrimp per pound. And these are pretty good sized shrimp. So again, these are 1620 shrimp that have been deveined and peeled. So we're gonna have some of this, and I got a piece of barramundi fillet. You can also use any firm type fish, white meat fish, or white flesh fish, maybe like a cod or snapper or mahi would also do good. Stay away from delicate fish like flounder or whatever. Yeah, but your best bets for fish would be mahi, cod, snapper, and even catfish. Just gonna go ahead and cut them in nice strips. Set on the side with the shrimp. And also the tacos, I went ahead and made like a pico de gallo, like that. And I had some mango too, so in here I have white onion, jalapeno, cilantro, lime juice, tomato, and mangoes. You can put more chili if you want it hotter, but after I mix it, season it with salt, I leave it out at room temperature so all the flavors can marry together well. This is ready to go. And also, I'm going to shred some cabbage. And we have corn tortillas for the tacos. So let's get started. So we got pretty much everything ready. We got the shredded cabbage, pico de gallo ready to go, batter. We got our shrimp ready to go, and we got our fish. And I also, ahead of time, I went ahead and made this quick style crema here. It's just sour cream, mayonnaise, and Valentina hot sauce with some lime juice. No measurements, but just go to your own taste. Real quick. So that's that, and we can get to the cooking part. So we have everything ready. We're heating up our oil. We're looking for a temperature of 375, almost there. This pan is gonna be my tortilla pan. Make sure you have everything ready and close to you when it comes to put everything together. So hang tight and we'll get frying soon. Salt and pepper your seafood. Have your batter close by. Let's check the temperature. 369. Pretty soon. All right, fans on. Okay, we're right there. So let's go ahead and fry up some of this food here. We do the fish first. Now we're going with the shrimp. You want to be sure not to overcrowd your pan, otherwise you'll bring the temperature of the oil low. So give enough space for the seafood to cook, and when you see it brown like that, it's time to flip it over. You're looking good. These are the fish, these are the shrimp. Alright, let me get cooking. I'll see you later. Alright, let me show you. Seafood came out really nice. Let's go ahead and warm up some tortillas and put together the tacos. So, cabbage. Some pico de gallo. Fish goes on. Shrimp goes on. Crema. So there you have it. Fish and shrimp tacos. Baja style. Don't forget that ice cold Modelo. Here's the shrimp tacos and the fish taco. Alright, see you on the next one. Enjoy. If you enjoy what you see, like and subscribe for more. Details and measurements will be in my comment box below. Hope you like this recipe. Take care. Aloha.